Welcome back to freeCodeCamp's Applied Visual Design section. This is add a box shadow to a card-like element. The box shadow property applies one or more shadows to an element. The box shadow property takes values for offset X, which is how far to push this shadow horizontally from the element, then offset Y, which is how far to push this shadow vertically from the element. Then we can take a blur radius, a spread radius, and a color value in that order. The blur radius and spread radius values are optional. So here's an example of the CSS to create multiple shadows with some blur at mostly transparent black colors. So we have this box shadow and the multiple shadows. Well, the first shadow is here, and then the second shadow is there. So that would apply multiple shadows to whatever element we gave this style to. So the element now has an ID of thumbnail. With this selector, use the example CSS values above to place a box shadow on the card. So if we look, this ID of thumbnail is now being applied. We could go into our style here, select it, thumbnail, and we're going to do box. Let's look at this over here. 0, 10 pixels, 20 pixels, RGBA 0, 0, 0, comma, 0, 6 pixels. So let's run test. And now we can see it. Forgot that typo. But now we have that box shadow right here. So let's run that. And we did pass. So we learned box shadow here, and this is really one of those you just got to play around with over and over. It does give a real nice modern look to our element here. So make sure to share, like, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next lesson.